What if I told you that creating cinematic AI videos is much easier than you think? And the best part is, you only need ChatGPT, Google Flow, and one powerful master prompt. Once you have this set up, you can create unlimited unique videos in just a few minutes. First, download the master prompt from the description below. Then copy the entire prompt exactly as it is. Don't remove or skip any part of it, because every instruction is designed to help ChatGPT generate the best possible result. Now open ChatGPT and paste the master prompt into a new chat. Once it's ready, simply type any topic or object you want to turn into a video. For example, you can enter gold extraction, iPhone 17 Pro Max, luxury watch, or anything else you can imagine. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a detailed cinematic prompt specially optimized for Google Flow. Carefully copy the complete prompt exactly as it appears. Next, open Google Flow and switch to the image to video option. Paste the prompt into the prompt box, select the OmniBlast model, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio, adjust any optional settings if needed, and then click Generate. After a few minutes, Google Flow will create a high-quality cinematic video based on your prompt. If you want to create another video, simply go back to ChatGPT, enter a different topic, copy the new prompt, and repeat the same process. Every new topic gives you a completely fresh and unique result. Once your videos are ready, you can edit them using any video editing software you like, add music, text, and transitions, and your final video will be ready to publish. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to learn more powerful AI workflows like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.